Practice reading for beginners.
Sight words and sentences. Children, children, children. Outside, outside, outside. Children, outside, children, outside. The children play outside the house. 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 Who play outside the house? Children. The children play outside the house. What do the children do? Play. The children play. Where do the children play? Outside the house. The children play outside the house. Man, man, man. Car, car, car. Man, car, man, car. The man is outside the 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 car. Who is outside the car? The man. The man is outside the car. Where is the man? Outside the car. The man is outside the car.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCAN Tutorial Services.